Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and I have a question for you. Are you struggling with getting more results in your business? Specifically, it comes to generating leads and making sales? Well, pay close attention because in this video, I'm going to talk to you about where to promote your content to help you make more sales. Now, I learned these tips and strategies from a mentor of mine who I've known since 2013, Diane Hockman, who really helped me grow my business and really changed my business mindset around. Because before I met Diane, I was just all about putting, links everywhere, all about just driving traffic, and I just wasn't getting the results. And so when I met Diane, she taught me a new way of looking at how to become a successful online marketer. Now, you can follow Diane, and I highly recommend that you do, by either going to her website at www.dianehockman.com or following her on her Facebook fan page, because she's got some real practical tips to help you out. Now, what Diane did, she's a 20-year home industry vet, and what Diane did is she wasn't a marketing guru at all. Okay, she is just a stay-at-home mom looking how to build a business so she can be at home raising her two young daughters. So how did she do it? She learned through understanding the difference between marketing and promotion. And that was the first distinction that she taught me, is promotion versus marketing. What marketing is preparing someone to buy. Okay, marketing is preparing someone to buy. Promotion, on the other hand, is getting someone in front of the marketing, which will get them prepared to buy. What Diane did, and it made her rise to the top, is you are not teaching or selling. She focused on the art of promotion. Okay, and this is what she teaches her students who are getting amazing results. And I was getting amazing results too as a student of Diane's, where I became a student of promotion versus a student of marketing. And it's very liberating because now you don't have to learn every little marketing strategy. All you have to do is get good at promoting. So when you're promoting, you don't have to worry about teaching or selling. You're going to attract people to you so that you can point them to where they need to go. So the key concept Diane taught me, and this is what she does, and this makes her a top earner and top affiliate, is she creates enough curiosity to cause the click. Meaning, she creates enough curiosity where people have to click to find out more of what that can do to help them solve their problem. And so she just gets them in front of the tool, okay? The tool, the website, or the offer. And then that tool, website, or offer will do all the heavy lifting. So she doesn't need to know, and this is what she taught me. She said, you don't need to know everything about your product, everything about your opportunity. You don't need to sit there and spend countless hours learning. All you have to do is use the tool and the websites that are in front of you that have been done for you. Let them do the heavy lifting because they are the ones that created, they know the marketing. They spent the time with copywriters and everything there. All you have to do is just get people in front of it. And so it was a very, very liberating. So all you have to do really is get the word out. Now, when you're promoting, there are certain rules you need to follow. You do not convince. You do not cajole. You do not sell. You do not guru worship. Okay? No gushing or hyping. Okay? What you do is when you are doing these types of, you're doing the type of content to promote, you want to make it fun. Invoke curiosity. Use images and videos with the purpose of getting engagement, likes, comments, and shares. Okay, because when you promote, you want to build an audience and engage your audience, because then the selling becomes effortless and rejection-free because you've created something that's so fun that people are going to want to comment. People are going to want to know what's going on. All right? And you're not doing any of that heavy lifting. You're just like what really kind of helped me clarify is think of the Love Boat. Back in the day, in the late 70s and early 80s, there was a huge show on TV called The Love Boat. And on the Love Boat, there's the cruise director, Julie. And all Julie did on the Love Boat is if people wanted to go dancing, she pointed them to the deck that had dancing. If people wanted to go swimming, they went to the deck that had swimming. So she was just pointing them to the activities of where they want to go. And that's what you want to do with your marketing. All you need to know is who your audience of buyers is and point them in the direction where they want to buy. Very, very simple concept. So where do you promote your content, this promotional content, to get people in front of your offers, whether it's your product, service, or business opportunity? Your Facebook profile, your fan page, Facebook groups, Facebook stories, Facebook videos, Facebook notes, Facebook events, Facebook Messenger, Facebook ads, email marketing, Twitter, Instagram stories, YouTube videos, YouTube ads. Okay? But here's the thing. You don't have to promote in all of those places at once. What you want to do is pick one platform to start promoting and continue to promote on that platform until you're generating 10 or more leads today and you feel like you've mastered the strategy. Now, there are some rules when it comes to with the types of promoting your content. Okay, you always want to make sure that you're playing by whatever network and platform you're picking. You are going by their rules and staying under the radar. So that's what we're going to talk about right now. It'll help you accelerate the results. So when you're creating your posts, you want to make them laugh, or you can make them cry. You can make them think. Educational. So when you're doing like a make them think, or educational posts, you can put your own spin on, like an inspirational quote, or if there's a third-party Facebook video, or a third-party quote, an image, put your spin on it that will cause curiosity to create the click, okay? You want to keep your promotionals very, very short, okay? Because people's attention spans are less than 8 seconds online. So you want to be using video or images with a short text that creates curiosity to cause the click. You want to fly under the radar, meaning you don't want to sit there and post into many, many groups at once or posting things everywhere on Facebook. There's a strategy to doing that. And so you want to make sure that you're following that strategy. And you want to stay with me until the end of this video because we'll show you how to do that. And then finally, you want to point. Don't pander. Okay? And what do we mean by that? Is that you're just going to direct them. You're not going to try to beg them. There's no need to get people. Okay? This is where it's promotion without emotion. So when you are asking people or you're directing people, if they say no, it's like, okay, no big deal. Think of the waitress at Perkins or Baker Square. When you go to Baker Square or Perkins and they come around and they'll ask you if you want more coffee or dessert, and you tell them no, do they get all bent out of shape? No, that's like, oh, no big deal. And then they're off and to the next table. So that's what you have to do there too. You don't get all upset and take it personal if somebody says no when you're directing them to what they want. And it's then up to them to make the decision to buy when they go to that particular website, the particular tool, or or that particular video. Okay, let that tool do the lifting. So I hope this helped you out today. If you did, leave a comment and share. Make sure you're following me on Facebook by going to facebook.com/Dr. Lisa Thompson. And did you know you can subscribe to my YouTube channel without leaving Facebook? All you have to do is find the tab on my fan page, and you can see my latest uploaded YouTube video here in the featured section. Now, as promised, if you really want to learn the art of promotion and learn how to do it in a way that will not get you banned, okay, not getting you banned on the social media networks, learning how to create those types of content that is going to attract people to you, I have a short video that will show you exactly how to do that. All you have to do is go to the link on your screen. I also have that link in the pinned comment section of the video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.